Hi guys, it's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? Well, I just wanted to get on and let you know that I have 4 kits for sale on my Etsy store. Linda R., you know who you are, from Louisiana. Don't order one. One is on the way to you. Okay, so don't order one. I mean, unless you want to, but you know, I'm telling you guys, a PS on the side, Linda orders a lot, but I owe her one. So Linda, don't order one. Let me send you and get straight with you first. Anyway, okay, you guys, so there's 4 kits. They're in a medium-sized or a priority-sized envelope. They're pretty heavy, that's why I stick them in there. And they're basically just junk journal kits. They're you're gonna get whichever one you get. You can't pick. I know the envelopes are a little all different, but it doesn't matter. What counts on these kits are what's inside. So let's just go ahead and take a look-see at what you will get in these kits. I'm going through, I've had these kits on my desk trying to get them ready to send for maybe a month. It's just been that long. So I thought I better get them out. So let's just run through. Everybody's going to get a large puzzle piece to alter. And I got some ephemera pack here. I'll show you that in a minute. Some wallpaper. And you know, I love to use this wallpaper for signatures in my junk journals. So there's that. Everybody will get a piece of this different sayings. But this one says, be yourself, think young, laugh often, smile, forgive quickly, be happy, love deeply, dream big, take chances, let no regrets, play hard, let go, no regrets. Remember that commercial, no regrets? It doesn't say that. Play hard, be spontaneous, be grateful, and never give up. So that's that. And everybody's going to get like one of these Japanese scary masks and just some pieces out of some beautiful books that I love. And I've gone through and I've just chosen some pieces for you. Isn't that a lovely scene? Some 1980s Olympic front page out of that Olympic book that I was using up, and a piece out of this poster book, which is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool book, so I'm letting one page of that go in there. Everybody's is going to be different, but it's out of the same book. Some florals out of a what are these? An orchid book? I'm not sure, but it's pretty. And some botanical pages. It's beautiful. And some more. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at this. Doesn't that look like a little fairy right there? That's cool. I didn't even notice that before. How could I not notice that? From the Wild. Just some great stuff for signatures. Some of this, it's like onion paper. So a couple of sheets of that. Onion paper. A couple of bookmarks. And then just pages out of that She book that I didn't end up selling. But I do like the lettering in it. Some beautiful Ann Getty books. Some more of this book. I can't remember her name. Kim Parker. Some pages out of the Kim Parker book. Some pages out of my Dan's Journal in Africa book. So again, they're just going to be some pages, but they're from the same book, but different pages, obviously. I don't know why I have to keep saying that. And oh, and some pictures out of the that beautiful perfume book. Misty's over here eating, so I'm sorry if you can hear her crunching, but I'm glad that she's out. And then just some of this really cool paper from one of the books that I have. Oh, and this is beautiful paper. Isn't this gorgeous? So this is old wallpaper. I love that book. Here's some more old wallpaper. Some florals. Beautiful little florals. Again, everybody's is going to be a little different, but they're there. And, oh, some love poems. And some chocolate desserts. And I tried to make sure that the actual recipe was all there. Some vintage car papers, which if you're working on a journal for a little boy, that'd be cool, or a guy. You can never have too much happy. Just some little poster boards. And some more papers. And everybody's got a girl or two out of one of that Foxy Girl book. So just different girls. Oh, and some Asian sheets. This one happens to have 3 in there. And they're just some really cool Asian pages, magazines with Asian ads and stuff. This one has a girl, so that's pretty cool. Oh, and some more of this paper. And some calendar paper. So fun. Strawberry shortcake. And some more pretty paper. I think this is out of my excuse me, shabby chic book. And then this is some of that paper that I wanted to send off with you guys. It's really big, and it's like, there's 3 sheets here. It's like deli paper, wax paper, but it's a kind of a combo of the both. So I'm sending 3 sheets of that to everybody. So there's that. And then in the ephemera pack, let's stick this back in here. And then in the ephemera pack, I just went through and picked a bunch of cool stuff that I usually put in my junk journals. And since I haven't been making any flows lately, I thought, well, I better share this stuff out. So we have some of these little matching cards. And of course, your regular checks, a large jumbo playing card, recipe card, which is a good weight. Oh, and some of the Lisa Crotel's beautiful handiwork. She sends little things to add in my journals, so thank you for that, Linda. I'll stick those in here. I still have quite a few of those, Linda, so I'm still adding them as I go. So she asked me if I needed more, and I really don't right now. She's so generous, and you guys all know that from swapping with her online. She's just a treat. Okay, and these are French Happy Game cards, and of course 3 or 4, I didn't really count, so 3 or 4 timesheets, and a CD which has a hole drilled in it in case you ever need one for a project. A little monkey. Everybody has a different card on an artist. Some matching cards to play with. This is those little stir stick type, or these little twisters that I got from the Dollar Tree, or not Dollar Tree, I'm sorry, Daiso last week. A couple of different, just random postcards. Let me stick these in here. And 3 little sheets, different colors. Everybody gets a red, a yellow, and a green for the tickets. Those are always fun to play with and make, you know, using your clusters and whatever. And a ballot sheet. No, I thought that, there they are. And some ballots. So you have a ballot and some ballot sheets in case you want to vote. Don't know. And just a little heart notebook. Some dollars. They're going to be in random denominations. Some will be 5, some will be 20. And then some beautiful sayings like, great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. Vincent van Gogh. So there's quite a few in there. Again, I didn't count, say maybe 3, 4, or 5. I don't know. So there you have it. So if you're interested in these right now, they're on my Etsy shop. And so please go ahead and order them. So I will be posting, putting them up there right now, or they should be up there by the time you get around to ordering them. And I'll add a little card in there for you, you know, just a little note card that I'm going to just go ahead and draw, you know, write a little note for you on there. And then later I'm going to be posting some books because, well, because I have them, I've got to make some room here. And that's it. After, I mean, I'm going to start just selling some stuff and not trying to buy anything else because we're getting down to the knit here, you guys, on my time frame. And so, yeah. So anyway, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy, and check it out on my Etsy store. And, oh, the link will be right below. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye now.